Welcome to another video of Algo Stock Market Insight. So today we are going to discuss about the stock price prediction of AstraZeneca for next week or next month of December 2021 using some machine learning algorithms. So this is our disclaimer. So these are the contents we are going to discuss today. First we will see the fundamentals of the company. Then we will see like what our machine learning algorithm predicting for AstraZeneca for next week or next month. Then we will do the manual analysis of the same using some charts, indicators and OA and FANDA data. So this is the introduction. So AstraZeneca is a small cap company with the current price around 3,180 and all-time high was around 4,900. And stock P is 130, which is a little bit high, but compared to other its peers, it is fine. And AstraZeneca is a main manufacturer of COVID-19 vaccine, and it's an almost debt-free company. So as we see the sales growth, we can see sales over the quarters is an improved, and operating profit also is a good one, and profit before and after tax also has been improved over last few quarters or few years. And since our COVID new strain came into some South Africa and other countries, we are thinking like there will be an uptrend in these pharma companies like AstraZeneca. And these are the sales we can see it has been improved over the years, and operating profit also has been improved after COVID, and profit before tax, after tax also has been considerably improved after COVID. Uh, And this is the data we have taken into algorithm. We have considered data from 2015 onward till 2021 November 26. So we can see till COVID time it was almost flat, but after COVID it has been exponentially improved because it is a main manufacturer of COVID vaccine. And this is our what our algorithm predicting. So as per algorithm, we can see like this particular one is a support line around 3000 is a support, and after that algorithm is predicting some uptrend, and there might be a resistance in this particular channel, so we can enter around this price and 3100 or 150, and we can book some profit around this 3800 or 4000. This is an enlarged one, so we can see like this particular 3000 is acting as a support and current price is here, so we can enter here and we can book the partial profit around 3800, 900 or 4000, and the next target we can set around 4300 or 4500, etc. So this is the weekly candlestick chart. So we can see like past 1 month it is in a consolidation mode and given a breakout. So here in this particular point like 3150 or 200 we can enter, and we can book our partial target at this particular channel resistance what we have seen like 3700 or something. We can book our partial profit, and next profit we can set at this particular point like around 4000 or 4400 we can set the other targets. And this is a weekly chart, so we can see like after consolidation it cut its three previous week high, so this is a safe side to enter. And for a safe enter, traders can enter above this particular candle around 3300 and set a target as 3700, and then around 3900 or 4000 as a second target. And this is a mutual funds holding of AstraZeneca, so we can see it is almost flat, but in the last October it has some was happened compared to previous month sell, and November data is yet to come. And this is a it's a overall holding by mutual funds, so we can see it is almost flat. There is no considerable sell has happened in the last few months. and this is OIA data for Nifty for 2nd December. So due to some COVID Omicron new strand, we have seen like last week there was a huge sell was happened, and there are a lot of call option sell was happened, and around 17,500 and 18,000 there are high resistances is there, and compared to put option sell, call option sell is very high, and so in November last week or December first week, we are some expecting some consolidation till this particular panic sell is over due to some new COVID variant. And compared to December, we can see like the put option sell is much higher than call option sell. Call option sell, there are some resistances there around 18,000 and 18,500, but overall call option sell is much dominating. And this is FIA and DIA data. So here we can see like due to some bad news about COVID, there was a huge sell was happened compared to November 1st and 2nd week. FIA and DIA started buying, but this 3rd and 4th week huge sell was happened. And this is the overall month data. So we can see like as Nifty touch 18,600, it was huge sell happen, but in November sell has been reduced. First 2 weeks it was in buy mode, but then 3rd and 4th week it was sell was happen, and currently it is like a panic sell is happening in Nifty. So hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have any stocks to analyze, please put in comments. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.